Good morning, student. In last lecture, we have completed the concept of maximum work as well as we have completed the expression for pressure and volume work. In the expression of pressure and the volume work, we can use the expression as the W is equal to minus PEX into the delta V. All that the part will be completed as well as the pre-expansion, that one will be also completed in the previous lecture. In this lecture we can start the unit of energy and work. In the unit of the energy and the work, how we can use the unit of the energy as well as the work, that one will be discussed in this point. In that, the 1 joule is nothing but the 1 kg meter square per second square. It is nothing but when we are converted into the Pascal means the pound, that time that 1 kg meter square per second square is nothing but the 1 pound meter cube, means the 1 Pascal meter cube. Also 1 Pascal is nothing but the 1 kg per meter per second square. Okay, in this way we can see that the 1 joule is nothing but the 1 kg meter square per second square, as well as the 1 Pascal is nothing but the 1 kg meter per second square. But when we can consider that the equation, the W means the work is equal to minus PEX into the delta V. At that time, the pressure, that pressure will be indicated in the bar, as well as the delta V means the volume is indicated in the dm3. It will be changed the values, and so when we can say that the pressure, the 1 bar pressure is nothing but the 10 raised to 5 power, as well as that one will be converted into the kg, and that one will be the 10 raised to 5 kg per meter per second square. Then afterwards we can use the 1 dm cube bar. 1 dm cube bar is equal to, we can separate that the dm cube, we can write the dm cube into the bar is nothing but the 10 raised to 5 kg per meter per second square. The dm cube, it will be converted into the meter. That time we can write that the dm cube we converted as the meter cube into the 10 raised to minus 3 into the same like that of the 10 raised to 5 kg per meter per second square. But when we can arrange that all the things, that time we can say that the 10 raised to 5 minus the 10 raised to 3, it gives the 10 raised to 2, the plus 2, means the value will be the 100. So we can write instead of that the 10 raised to 3 minus 3 into the 10 raised to 5, we can write the 100. 100, it will be the same, the kg, the meter cube, and the per meter, it will be the meter square, and the same like that of the per second square. So it becomes as the 100 kg meter square per second square. And we can write that the kg meter square per second square, it is nothing but the joule, and so it is the 100 joule. So 1 dm cube bar is nothing but the 100 joule. In this way we can use the unit of the energy as well as the work. Okay, then afterwards we can start the concept of maximum work. Okay, then we can start the concept of maximum work. In the system, that system will be containing the work, and that work will be the pressure volume type of the work. And so we can see that the concept of maximum work. Concept of maximum work. How we can obtain the maximum work from the system? That one will be discussed here. Okay. Concept of maximum work. We again consider the one cylinder, which one will be enclosed by the gas, and that gas will be heated by the one piston, which one will be the rigid as well as the movable piston. Okay. In this case, the two types of the forces will be arrived there. The upper part, it will be containing the piston and their area. On the area of the piston, there will be the one that the force, and that force will be called as the opposing force. It will be called as the opposing force, and it will be denoted by the PEX. Okay, and the internal force, which one will be contained by the gas, it will be the P, and that force will be called as the driving force. Okay, driving force. So the two types of the forces will be present in the system, the opposing force as well as the driving force. When we can say that the work will be done in the system, that time the opposing force must be present. If the opposing force will be greater, the work will be also the greater. If the opposing force will be the maximum, the work will be also the maximum one. Means that opposing force will be important in the work done in the system. And so in this way we can say that the opposing force is important part in the system. Then afterwards we can say that the maximum work will be done by the system when it will be done the maximum work. When the opposing force will be the maximum, that time it will be given the maximum work by the system. But when we can consider that the opposing force as well as the driving force, when it will be same, the piston will be not move to the upward as well as the downward. It will be same position and it will be attain the thermodynamic equilibrium. But when the opposing force as well as the driving force, both one will be, or the one will be infinitely greater, that time that process will be reversed, and in that the reversible process, the maximum work will be done by the system. Okay, in this way we can say that the difference will be present in the opposing force as well as the driving force. The time that system will be gives the work, and that work will be maximum as the opposing forces will be the maximum. So on the basis of that, we can use the one that the expression that the P means the opposing, that the driving force, minus the PEX. Okay, minus the PEX means, minus means that it will be gives the difference in between the two forces. At that time it will be gives the change in the pressure. It changes their pressure. Okay, so that the delta P. So we can write the, when we can go that the delta minus PEX will be goes there, it will be the PEX is equal to P minus delta P. Okay, P minus delta P. When we can include in the equation, W is equal to minus PEX into the delta V, that time we can write down the minus, the PEX is nothing but the P minus delta P. P minus delta P into the delta V. In this way, we can obtain that the equation in the concept of the maximum work, that the minus P, W is equal to minus P minus delta P into the delta V. In this way, we can see that the sum that the initial equation for the maximum work. But in these cases, that the work would be maximum when the delta P is minimum. The opposing force must be infinitely the smaller. The maximum work will be done by the system. So on the basis of that, we can take the expression for the maximum work, means the equation for the maximum work. So the next point is that the expression for the maximum work. Okay, in the expression for the maximum work, we can consider the gas, which one will be enclosed in the cylinder. It will be heated by the one frictionless piston, and it will be containing the some weights on that the piston. Okay, in this case, that the some weights will be present there, but the maximum work will be done by the system when that system will be isothermal as well as the reversible. When the system will be isothermal and the reversible, the time maximum work will be done by that the system. But during the steps, the different steps will be included. When that the piston, it will be travel from the V1 to the V2, means the some height, it will be the V2, we can say that, from this position to this position. The infinite numbers of the steps will be included. From that the piston will be moved on from the V1 to the V2, it will be containing the infinite numbers of the steps. And that infinite numbers of the steps, when we can gather or sum, that time we can obtain the maximum work, which one will be obtained in the system. And so we can consider this figure. In that the figure, firstly we can use that the piston as well as the gases and the cylinder, and the pistons will be containing the weights. We can remove the weights one by one, and the piston will be moved to the upward direction. In this case, the opposing force, that is called as the external force applied by the surrounding. The external force will be there on the piston, and it will be the minus PEX. And the internal force, means the driving force, it will be the P, the gas force. Okay, the internal force, means the driving force will be infinitely greater than that of the minus PEX, the external force, we can say that time that piston will be moved to the upward direction. As we can remove one by one that the weight, the gas force, it will be reduced. And when that pressure will be, the internal gas pressure will be reduced, and that one will be goes to the equal to the minus PEX, that time that piston will be stopped. And when the piston will be stopped, the maximum work will be done by that the system, means the piston will be goes to the one position in which the opposing force, means the external force as well as the driving force, both one will be equal. The piston makes the position stable, and at that time it will be goes to the thermodynamic equilibrium. That piston will be goes into the thermodynamic equilibrium. In this way, we can see that the piston will be moved from the V1 to the V2. Firstly, we can remove the one that the piece, the upper piece will be removed, the weight will be removed to the right hand side. The piston will be moved to the some distance to the upward direction, means the some value will be traveled, and it will be the infinite value, and it will be denoted by the dV. So the small value, Again we can remove the second, that the left hand side, that the weight, it will be moved to the upward. The sum, that the volume will be traveled by the piston, and the small, that the volume, it will be called as the dV value. In this way it will be gives the numbers of infinite numbers of the steps, and it will be reached to the V2. Means the from V1 to the V2, that the infinite numbers of the steps will be included in that the system. Okay, and so on the basis of that we can use the equations. So we can consider that the small volume will be changed when we can remove the one weight, and the small value as well as the small work will be done there. So we can say that the small work means the dW is equal to, we can say that it will be the minus PEX into the delta V, means the small volume will be traveled, means the dW is equal to minus PEX into the delta V. But in this case we can say that the PEX, that value will be, we can include it, and when we can include this value will be nothing but the P minus delta P. So we can add this value, the minus P, it will be the minus P minus delta V, not the minus, sorry, P minus delta V, delta P, okay, delta P into the delta V. When we can solve that the equation, when we can multiply by the dV, that time it will be gives rise to the minus P dV plus the delta P, we can say that it will be nothing but the dP. We cannot write the delta P, we can write the dP because it will be the small, okay, so we can write that the dP into the dV. But in this case, that the dP and the dV means the small pressure and the small volume, it will be neglected, and so the equation will be becomes as the dW is equal to minus P into the dV. Okay, when we can get the maximum one, that time we can use the integration for the dW as well as this value P dV, and also we can apply the limits, and that limits will be starting from the initial to the final as well as the V1 to the V2. So we can integrate this equation, okay, this equation will be integrated. When we can integrate this equation, that time it will be right as the integration of dW from the initial to the final is equal to minus integration of P into the dV. Okay, integration of P into the dV, and the limitations will be the V1 to the V2, V1 to the V2. Okay, when we can remove the integration as well as the limit, we can say that dW is nothing but the W maximum, okay, is equal to, we can write that the minus integration of V1 to the V2 P into the dV. Firstly, we can say that the pressure, the ideal gas will be there. The ideal gas, it will be enclosed in that the cylinder, which one will be contain the n numbers of the moles. So that the PV, the ideal gas equation is nothing but the PV is equal to nRT. When we can rearrange this one, it will be the PV, P is equal to nRT by V. So include this value in this equation, we can write that the W maximum is equal to minus we can write that the integration of V1 to the V2, that the nRT into the dV by V. Okay. Then afterwards we can remove the equation that the nRT, the temperature will be constant. The nRT will be goes to the in this side we can write that the minus nRT integration of V1 to the V2 dV upon the V. Okay. Then afterwards we can say that W maximum, when we can remove out the integration as well as the limit, we can say that minus nRT ln, we can say that the V2 minus V1. Okay, it will be the V2 minus the ln V1. Okay. Then afterwards we can rearrange this equation. This equation will be rearranged. We can write that the W maximum is equal to V2 upon the V1, V2 minus the ln V1. We can write in a short V2 upon the V1. So minus nRT ln, we can say that V2 upon the V1. Okay. The ln, it will be converted into the log base to the 10. Okay, when we can converted this value, the ln, log base to the 10, it is nothing but the 2.303. So the equation will be becomes as the W maximum is equal to the minus 2.303 nRT log base to the 10 V2 upon the V1. Okay, and that one will be the equation for maximum work. It is the equation for the maximum work. Also we can say that for the pressure P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Okay, it one will be the P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. When we can say that the V2 upon the V1 is equal to the P1 upon the P2. So that equation will be also written as the maximum work is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log raised to the 10 P1 upon the P2. Okay, this one will be also the equation for maximum work in the system. We can obtain the equation. Both the equations will be there when the volume will be there V2 upon the V1. When the pressure is there, we can say that P1 upon P2. In this way, we are completed the expression for the maximum work. Okay, thank you.